Did you know Japan, and more specifically the island of Okinawa, has an unequaled number of people living a healthy life past the age of 100? These centenarians, as they're called, have a history of aging slowly, and they often entirely escape the chronic diseases of aging, including dementia, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. Why is that? Some would guess genetics, but many scientists believe that up to 70% of health and longevity comes from non-genetic factors. In other words, Japanese centenarians have made choices that have allowed them to age slower, have skin that looks younger longer, and have abundant natural energy throughout their lives. For more than 4 decades, a team of Sanki scientists in Japan and France have been dedicated to helping others experience health similar to the centenarians of Japan. They have found that one of the most important secrets to a healthy life for the Japanese starts in the stomach and the intestines, or the guts. A healthy gut and digestive system are essential because they provide the essential nutrients to the trillions of microscopic power plants throughout the body called the mitochondria that help keep us healthy, age slower, and live with energy. If we damage the digestive process in the gut from a poor diet, antibiotics, alcohol, high sugar, and bad fats, it can lead to impairments of brain function, sleep, and even our state of happiness. Starting in the gut, the ingredients in Sanki products have been proven to positively affect gut health, then move throughout the body and target the trillions of mitochondria with microscopic or nano ingredients that nourish the cells responsible for a healthy metabolism. Sanki flagship products, Volage and Kronui, contain olive leaf and rosemary because they've been in the human diet for thousands of years and are bioavailable, which means the body can recognize, absorb, and utilize these natural ingredients easily. Sanki uses rosemary and olive leaf from its own farms to control the entire process from planting to packaging. After harvesting, the ingredients are carefully cleansed to remove natural and environmental toxins without alcohol to ensure the nutrients are protected. The Sanki lab then mixes a proprietary combination of bacterial strains with the natural ingredients to start the fermentation process. Identifying which strains of bacteria to use in the fermentation process was essential, and it required over 4 decades of research to discover and prove their effectiveness in the body. This patented process naturally creates a paste of trillions of healthy metabolites, which are molecules that are essential to the normal growth, development, and reproduction of cells in the body. The paste is then carefully processed to remove liquids before it is moved to the final stage of purification. In the final stability stage, all traces of alcohol are removed from the metabolites, and similar to the process of a healthy human digestive system, all bacteria is destroyed after successfully creating the desired metabolites. The end result is a highly concentrated powder of powerful metabolites that are instantly recognized by the gut and have an instant positive effect on the body. Each serving of Sanki products deliver quadrillions of metabolism-boosting metabolites that are recognized by the 100 million neurons in the gut, which instantly send a message to the brain. The brain then initiates a process throughout the body called gene expression to kickstart the trillions of energy-producing mitochondria throughout the body to produce its own powerful natural antioxidants that cleanse and power our bodies at the cellular level. With more than 70% of our immunity starting in the gut, the results of Sanki products on the body are not only felt, but they're almost instantly visible. Sanki uses powerful microscopes to view the tiny capillaries in the base of the fingernail. Even after just 20 minutes, a visible increase in vital microcirculation can typically be seen. After using the Sanki products regularly, studies have proven that they are able to penetrate and detoxify the trillions of cells and energize the mitochondria throughout the body. When the body is powered properly, it can heal itself. Essential DNA is protected, energy is restored, and even weight loss is common. Sanki has proven that it is possible to experience a higher quality of life. It's time to live life to its fullest, with a body operating at peak performance. Living a healthy life is not just for the centenarians of Japan. With Sanki and its revolutionary products, you can look better, feel better, and live better.